In my previous video, we looked at pairs of simultaneous equations where we simply needed to add or subtract both equations in order to perform the elimination method to solve our simultaneous equations. Now, what is going to happen if neither one of our coefficients of our both variables are the same in both equations? For example, let's take a look at this equation, these pair of equations here. I have 3x plus y, and that is understood to be 1y is equal to 1, and 5x plus 2y equals 3. I'm noticing that the coefficients of x in both equations are not the same. I have 3 here and I have 5 here, and my coefficients of y are neither the same. I have 1 and I have 2 here. So in this case, I am going to either multiply or divide one of my equations by a constant to make the coefficient of either x or y the same in both equations. So I'm going to label this. This is equation 1. This here is equation 2. So I'm going to try to make the coefficients of y the same in both equations. I can do that easily by multiplying my first equation by 2. So I'm going to multiply that by 2. So I'm going to get a new equation, 6x plus 2y is equal to 2. Now, it isn't simply just to multiply y by 2. Remember, I have to keep my equation the same. So I need to multiply each one of the terms by 2. So 3x multiplied by 2 gives me 6x. 1y multiplied by 2 gives me 2y. And 1 multiplied by 2 gives me 2. So this new equation, I can label it as equation 3. I can put back equation 2, which is 5x plus 2y is equal to 3. And I can label that back as equation 2 because there was no change made to equation 2. Now, if you look at both equations here, I have the same coefficient for y. This is what we wanted. So I have the same coefficient for y, and now I can either subtract or add both equations to eliminate the variable y. And to do so, you have to subtract. 6x take away 5x is going to give me 1x. And that 2y take away 2y is not going to give me anything, so there's no need to write anything there. And 2 take away 3 is negative 1. So I have x being negative 1. That's solving for one of my variables. Now I still need to solve for my other variable, which is y. To do that, I have to substitute the value of x, which is negative 1, into any one of my equations, and I'm going to take equation 1. So I have 3x, I'm just going to write back equation 1, 3x plus y is equal to 1. 3 multiplied by negative 1 plus y is equal to 1. 3 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 3. Plus y is equal to 1. So I have y being equal to 1 plus 3 is going to give me 4. So there you have it, your values of x and y in here and here. So you have solved for your simultaneous equation by finding the value of both variables x and y.